No, it hasn't. Okay. Hey, I'm William Kennedy. This is Lab 1 for Bio 163. I'm just going to show you my surroundings slowly. Here's my lab kit. Okay. My printer wasn't working, so I just have the same list. I just wrote them out. There's nothing else on my note card. So yes, I'm gonna go ahead and get started. So the first vocabulary is superior and inferior, and they are used when needing to describe body parts above and below. Superior is the top of the head, and inferior is towards the bottom of the feet. So this is my friend Laura. She's going to be my model for you. I forgot to introduce her. So superior is the top and inferior is the bottom. I think I already said that. But her abdomen is superior to her pelvis, and it is also inferior to her chest. Okay, the next terms are anterior and posterior, and they are used to describe the front or the behind the body. Anterior is the front of the body, and posterior is the back of the body. So ventral and dorsal are also used to describe the front and the back of the body, but they are usually used like on animals. So we're going to use the terms posterior and anterior. So the ears are posterior to her nose, and her nose is anterior to her ears. The next two vocabulary words are proximal and distal. Proximal and distal are used to describe the location and the points of the limbs and its relevance to the torso. So proximal is closer to the limb's point of attachment, and distal is further from the point of attachment. So her wrist is distal to the elbow, and her elbow is proximal to the wrist. Okay. The next vocabulary terms are medial and lateral. Medial is used to describe like half the body, right or left, which are also two terms. And you would use medial is the closest to the midline of her body, and lateral is farthest from the midline. So the pinky finger is medial to the thumb, and the eyes are lateral to the nose. And the last two vocabulary words are superficial and deep. Superficial is the location towards the surface of the body structure of an organ, and deep is towards the center of the body structure of the organ. So an example for superficial would be her skin is superficial to her insides, like the skeleton, and deep is an example is deep is deep is her lungs. Yeah. So that is my 14 vocabulary words to describe the body. Thank you.